Mixing a tailored profile with a killer stance, this world-class Bel Air is an infinitely impressive classic that's primed, polished, and ready to roll. During an extensive ground-up restoration, the car's shapely sheet metal was painstakingly worked into a tight profile that serves as a solid foundation for unbroken reflections. Those reflections are provided by a brilliant coat of red two-stage, which was augmented with smoked glass, red cloth, small mirrors, and a truckload of highly polished Bel Air trim. And today, this legendary Chevy rolls as one razor-sharp Tri-5 that's ready to show and go. Installed by Knoxville, Tennessee's Pro Auto Custom Interior, this Chevy's LED-lit cockpit certainly stands out. Custom bucket seats wrap baseball-style stitching around full power adjustment for both the driver and front passenger. A body-matched dash wraps billet trim around modern AC, modern audio, and clean classic instruments gauges. A custom full-length console founds a short low-car shifter in front of hidden power window switches, and the driver spins a half-wrapped wheel on a tilting column. Under the hood, you'll find 7 liters of LS7 that in factory spec is good for an impressive 505 horsepower. That power flows through a modern 4-speed auto, which twists torque to a braced 9-inch axle, and it's all cradled in an Art Morrison chassis. Wrapping great looks and proven performance in a quality restoration, this Bel Air is the perfect car for any enthusiast who wants top-notch metal that'll turn heads for years to come. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.